Meanwhile, India is working to burnish its credentials as the pharmacy of the world. The pandemic established that. India sent life-saving vaccines and medicines to the whole world. But last year, there was an unfortunate turn of events. Cough syrups exported from India were linked to the deaths of children. Almost 100 children in Gambia and Uzbekistan died. India's reputation took a hit. The government swung into action. It came up with a more comprehensive regulatory mechanism. And the new rules will come into effect soon. All cough syrups meant for export will have to be tested, and this testing will take place in government labs in India. This will serve two purposes: regulate pharma companies and allay the fears of importing countries, not to mention protect India's reputation as a pharmaceutical hub. Our next report has more.
India's rise as a global pharmaceutical powerhouse is well known. During the COVID-19 pandemic, it stepped up to help the world with vaccines. India's pharmaceutical sector is renowned for effective medicines at competitive prices, but that reputation has recently taken a hit. It was caused by reports of deaths linked to cough syrups exported from India. Children were the victims of these faulty cough syrups. So, the Indian government rushed to take action, and now it has come out with a new set of rules. From June 1st, all cough syrup exports will need to be tested, that too at government labs. 7 of these labs have been marked for testing. A cough syrup sample will have to be sent to them for checks. Once they clear the tests, they will get a certificate of analysis. Only then can these cough syrups be exported. It's a thorough process to ensure there's no compromise on quality, because lives are at stake. Last October, news of faulty cough syrups emerged from the Gambia. It's a West African country of about 2.7 million people. Reports said that some cough syrups had led to the death of about 70 children. The WHO issued an alert.
WHO has today issued a medical product alert for 4 contaminated medicines identified in the Gambia that have been potentially linked with acute kidney injuries and 66 deaths among children.
The WHO began an investigation. It turned out all of the cough syrups had a common link.
4 medicines are cough and cold syrups produced by Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited in India. WHO is conducting further investigation with the company and regulatory authorities in India.
The investigations failed to establish a clear link between the deaths and the Indian cough syrups. But then came reports from Uzbekistan. In December, 18 Uzbek children died after taking an Indian cough syrup. It was made by Marian Biotech. It's a pharmaceutical company based in the city of Noida in northern India. In both the Gambia and Uzbekistan, the children had died due to kidney failure. The Uzbek investigation revealed that the cause was toxins in the cough syrup. The toxins are diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. The same toxins were found in Indian cough syrup exports this year as well, this time in the Pacific Island nations of Micronesia and the Marshall Islands. India had to act fast. You see, India has a $41 billion pharmaceutical industry. It's the world's largest supplier of generic medicines. About a third of all generic drugs are from India. These go across the world, from the Gambia to the US, from the Maldives to Micronesia. Indian drugs are everywhere, so India has to ensure the very best quality. The Indian government stepped up. In March, the Drugs Controller General of India raided about 76 pharmaceutical companies. 18 pharma licenses were cancelled after the raids, and now comes this mandatory testing requirement. It's a welcome step. Hopefully, it can help save lives.